Hey, what's going on? Zero Day Jay here. Hope all is well. It's Tuesday, July 9th. The market closed 28 minutes ago. I just finished streaming like 10 minutes ago. And I'm in my Apex account. Want to show you how I did. These are all the accounts I have. I have 3 funded accounts. I have 7 eval accounts. So let me just start with the funded accounts, get them out of the way before Trade of 8 updates. So as you can see here, 76 is my 50K. I got it up $333. It was one trade. I took one trade in that account. I love when that happens. I had a great day with my PAs because you know what? It wasn't a struggle. It was a drama-free trading day for my funded accounts. And I did it before I jumped on the stream. Like I didn't have to, well, not that it matters. I don't mind trading my funded accounts, but I got it out of the way. I like getting them out of the way and then moving on to the evals. And that's what I got to do today. So I took one trade here for $333. I actually added to it once. I played a bottom orb bounce. It kind of wicked below the bottom orb a while ago, hours ago. And then let me see if I can find it. Well, I can't find it. It's going to be a while for me to find it. And then I added to it one time, and then it bounced. And I got out, and I was like, I'm done. I don't need to trade anymore. I'm literally $262 away from being over the profit threshold. I am on my 7th day, so I still need to trade for 3 more days to qualify for a payout and get $262 more dollars. So just going to keep pushing forward with that. Wait for the proper setups. Just wait. Just be very patient, not force anything, and then we should be good to go there. That's the plan, right? That will be my, well, I don't want to get ahead of myself, but I'm working towards my second payout. My second payout received. I've requested a payout twice. I'm 1 for 2 in that arena. Now, on these two right here, it's 77 and 78. I was copy trading them. It only took 2 trades. I played a pivot point bounce. It was right here. Right here. I played this pivot point bounce. I got a lot. It wasn't a little baby trade. I took 2 trades. I actually got in, got my gains, got stopped out for a gain, and then hopped back in. And I found myself up $1,614. The most you could go up on any one day in a 250K account is $1,980. So I came within, before you violate the consistency rule, I came pretty close. That's a really good day. And I'm really happy about that because the first 2 days, I didn't take many trades. I just took, I didn't like the way the market was. And yesterday I was kind of pressed for time. Didn't really have a lot of time to trade. And when I was ready to trade, there wasn't really much going on in the market. So I was only up 389 in both of these accounts. I copy trade them, so that's why they're the same. It's part of my my Diddy Party PA group. But today I was able to pump it. So being, it's a great day when I was only up 389 in those 2 accounts, and it seemed like it was going to take forever to get to the profit goal. And then today I get 1,614. The market was just cooperating. I just happened to be trading when the market was doing things that I like. What happened? Like I like pivot point bounces. So I took advantage of the situation, and I fucking had a great day in those accounts. Then I decided right in a dump. So what happened was we came here, we bounced off the pivot point, came all the way up to the top orb, and then we rejected. And I wanted to take that short. I wanted to take it short. So these are all eval accounts. I didn't trade this one. This is the community eval account for the chat, the live stream chat. I'm not touching that until I do that again. Let the chat decide the fate of that account. So I'm not touching this, but these are my other 6 250K evals. This one, instead of chasing, I don't like to chase, but I should have chased because it dumped hard. Instead of chasing, I tried to get filled at a couple of key levels. It just kept dumping. I kept adding DCA gang. The DCA gang, El Presidente, struck again, but not for a good thing. It actually was a bad thing. I lost the accounts. Shit happens. Not the end of the world. And then I got right back to work. Good thing I was done with these. See, that's why I was glad I was done with the PAs. I didn't have to worry about any of that happening to my PAs, right? I wouldn't have let that happen to my PAs, but this just kind of happened quick. I got in heavy. I added heavy, and I got penal. That's what I get. That's what I get for fucking around. I fucked around, and I found out. Got caught in a dump. It is what it is. I'll just get more. It is what it is. And they're cheap because it's Apex, right? And then these 3, I took a couple of trades. And then I was up like $1,385 after like 1 or 2 trades. And then I started trading them again during the stream. I took like 3 more trades with it, gave back some of it, got back some, gave back some, and then I got back some, and I finished at 1,413 for the day in these 3. So these are looking good. I got a ways to go, and I'm not gonna force anything. Like I can't get a payout. I wouldn't be in the line for a payout until August 1st anyway. So no point trying to, push something that doesn't need to be pushed. I'll wait for my spots. We'll see what happens. So that's where I'm at with Apex. Just so you know, today is the last day to get, allegedly the last day to secure your 80% discount on any size Apex eval. It's 80% off. 1 day to pass, $35 reset fees, and if and when you pass, if you get the bigger size accounts, the 150 to 250 and 300K accounts, they still have the $85 lifetime activation fee promotion going. That's good until August 15th, but Apex's 80% off sale is allegedly ending in like 6 hours or so. They might extend it. They are habitual sale extenders, but if you're low on evals and you want to get a couple more, don't risk it because they might go back down to 71% for a few days or even longer before they come out with their next promotion. Maybe the next promotion will be 90, but who knows? Maybe they'll extend this 80% off deal for a little while longer too and add another wrinkle to it or something. But don't risk it. If you need to get evals, if you don't have an Apex account and you want to check them out, click on my link in the description below and use coupon code ZERODAYJAY. It's the best coupon code. It's got the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, according to the prop firm Streets. I can't confirm it with actual data, but I see it in the chat all the time during my streams. So if you want to support the channel and you have an Apex account, just use my coupon code to get your next bunch of evals or your next eval, whatever. If you don't have an Apex account yet, click on the link in the description below and use my coupon code. It will get you the best deal available. Right now, it's 80% for the next 6 hours. Maybe they'll extend it. Maybe they won't. Also, if you want to hang out with fellow degenerate prop firm traders, such as myself, but you want to watch me trade like a degenerate and then hang out with a bunch of people who are also degenerates, make sure you subscribe to the channel. You can hang out and catch me on my streams. I stream every single day during New York. I hop on normally between 2 and 3 p.m. Eastern time. Most of the time it's around 2:30. I'm trying to get on closer to 2 so I can stay on longer. But that's about 2:30 is about my spot p.m. Eastern, and I stream 2 and through close. I got off at like 10 after 5 today. That's about when I usually get off 5:10, 5:15. Awesome people hanging out in the stream. You get to watch me trade like a degenerate, and you get to hang out with a bunch of other people who are in it for the same reason. We're all pushing each other to win. We're all encouraging each other. We're all inspiring each other. It's a really great group of people. We're building a nice community there. I also stream during the night and around like when London opens. London opens at 3 a.m. Eastern, and I hop on anytime between 2:30 and 3:30 a.m. and I hang out and stream for a couple of hours. And I trade. You get to watch me trade just like I do during New York. Same thing. I trade. We hang out with a bunch of other degenerates. We have a good time, and would love to have. If you haven't been there yet, would love to have you. If you've been there, then you know. And that's all I got for you today. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Oh, give a thumbs up. Give a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I get back to everybody. I pride myself on that. I'll talk to you soon. Now I'm really leaving. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for watching.